Hello everyone, this will be a short video on a couple of navigation keys I'm using to make it easier for me to navigate around Blender's 3D viewport. I actually did a short for this for Instagram and TikTok, but it's not really cinematic, so people just ignored it. But if you're just starting out in Blender, this will help you a lot. And for those who use my add-on, it will be useful for you too, so you can follow my videos much better. So the first one is setting the pivot point where the 3D viewport will rotate or zoom in or out. Most beginners will be using the dot key in the numpad, which is the frame selected command. And the disadvantage to this is that it can only set the pivot point on the average location of selected faces, edges, or verts in edit mode, or use the origin point of an object in object mode. A superior alternative would be to use the Alt middle mouse button click on the surface of any object in the 3D viewport, and that will become the new pivot point for rotation and zoom. The advantage of this is that it doesn't deal with averages and you can set the pivot point pretty much anywhere there's an object surface to snap it to using the hotkeys. It also retains its behavior whether you're in object mode or in edit mode. And the next one is what you probably see most in my videos, and that is when you are rotating the viewport around the object by holding the middle mouse button, you can press Alt to snap it to 45-degree angles relative to the pivot point you have set. This will help with drawing tools like in my add-ons or just the default knife tool for hard surface angular models where you need mostly everything straight. So those are the two most important navigation tools I use every time. They are really simple, but they will have a great impact on your modeling experience in Blender. And that is it for this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and share, and also hit the like button to help me out, because YouTube has changed its algorithm once again and niche channels like this is impacted the most. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.